Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these AIDEA microfiber cleaning cloths, and here we have the Amazon Basics. So they're both the same size. Amazon Basics, you get 3 different colors, a white, yellow, and a blue. Over here we get 4 different colors. Kind of an orange and a gray that are a little different. So I think the Amazon Basics may be just a little bit thicker and the edges are sewn a little bit better. They're both reusable. They're both going to absorb a lot of water. Let's go over here and see how they're going to do. Here's the Amazon Basics. Yeah, it does a good job. And I can also wash my car with these. I can put these in the bucket of soap and water like I did earlier. Here's one that I washed my car with. They make really good rags for that. Okay, now it's time to try the other one. It does a good job absorbing. Again, maybe just a little bit thinner, but not very much. But these are going to help eliminate streaks, help get water spots off. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.